Hello, guys. Welcome to 25 Academy channel. It's always my pleasure to bring to you what is happening in the crypto space. As you know, information is the life wire of the crypto space. If you're in the crypto space and you are not curious to know what is happening in the space, that means you will be caught unaware by the reversal in the trends. There's always upward reversal and downward reversal. So this is why it is very important you pay attention to what is happening in the market. Today update is about it's going to be about market analysis. What is happening in the market? Everywhere is looking red. Look at my Binance market chart. You know, got my Binance market chart. Um, okay, see most of the coins are all showing red. BTC is showing red. Ether, BNB, all are showing red. So what is happening in the market? What is happening in the market? Are we in the bearish zone, in bear market? Are we still in the uptrend or in the bull market? Okay, and what can you make of what is happening in the market? What decision will be appropriate for you in this kind of market? So, in this short analysis, I'm going to be explaining to you the technical analysis of the Bitcoin market at the moment. I'm going to be explaining some of the thread on Twitter that should influence, that should make you to know what players are already doing, and I'm going to explain to you the decision to make in this kind of market. What decision should you make in this kind of market? And I'm going to explain to you a strategy that is effective, that is being used by big time investors, how investors should take profit as they invest in the long term. Okay, so this is what this particular video is going to be all about. The market analysis is going to be all about. If you have not subscribed to 25 channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Turn on the notification bell so that when new videos are published, you get notified. Also, like and comment on this video. Okay, let's zoom off. Good. Okay, I woke up this morning. I saw the Bitcoin market, the Bitcoin chart looking red, and I saw a very big dip. For instance, look at this dip. Okay, look at this dip. In the month of November, the price of Bitcoin was around the all-time high. We recorded a new all-time high of I think November. We recorded a new all-time high of okay, I think this was it. A new all-time high of $69,000, 69,000 K, and everybody was like, "Whoa, we are about hitting $70,000." From $70,000, according to Plan B, we head over to $100,000. Yeah, but the market does not really. The crypto market is volatile, and because of its volatility, anything could actually cause it to plunge, to decline, and a small activity event in the market will also cause it to increase in price in a very short time. Yeah. So what does this mean technically? What does the chart currently means? Okay, I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be using some indicator to explain this. Okay, now looking at this chart, you see that we are currently in a downward trend. In the downward trend, there's a downward reversal. Look at this massive, huge red candle. Look at it; it dropped to this. So that means Bitcoin dropped to $42,000, almost $42,000. Wow! From $58,000 to $42,000. What a massive decline! What a massive decline! So what does this mean? It means there's a sell-off. There's a sell-off. The bear took over, and there's a sell-off. A sell-off by holders in the market is possibly this a liquidation, according to what I I gathered the information I gathered. There's a massive liquidation, and this liquidation has never happened. The volume of this liquidation has never happened. Is one of its kind in the crypto market in the crypto market. So what does this mean? This candle is showing a downward reversal, a downward reversal, yeah, a downtrend reversal is rather. Okay, now what does this mean? So let's look at RSI. The RSI actually shows if we are in the bear market or in the bull market. Okay, now looking at RSI that is above 70 upward, it indicates a bull run, a bull market. And RSI that is 30 and below indicate a bear market. Okay, good. Now going by this RSI, look at it currently with the RSI is 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 um is 30 is 30 below. Let's say 30 below 20. I'm seeing 28 28. Now going by the by that rule, we are in the bear market. We are in the bear market. In the bear market, it means there is oversold. This bear market, this particular point in the market, it means the Bitcoin is oversold. This could be a capitulation. People may be afraid of what is happening in the market, and because of the fear of that people have in the market, they are scared. They don't know what may happen in the next a few hours, in the next few days, in the next few weeks. So because of that, they are afraid and they are recapitulating. And when you recapitulate in the market, you are actually selling your holding at a loss. That is not a good strategy. That is not what a smart investor or a smart trader should do. Then, what should you do as a smart trader and a smart investor? What you should do is simply you understand the phases of the market and know the effective strategy that you should apply in each of these phases. Okay, now this oversold. 30 RSI of 30 and below is oversold. RSI of 70 and above is overbought. Now this oversold, this is an indicator of the bear market. Currently, the Bitcoin market is in the bear market. What does this mean? Okay, let's head over to Twitter and look at what is happening in Twitter. Look at what is happening in Twitter. Twitter, here we come. Okay, now look at what okay, first and foremost, let's look at plan B. Plan B says something very ridiculous. Says something very ridiculous. Yeah, he said on days like this, I switch off the computers and go for a long run. Yeah, this is simply because yeah, so this simply is actually saying that okay, his prediction, the market is going against his prediction. So because of that, you just have to it doesn't even want to depression to come in. You just have to manage your anxiety, manage your mental health, at this point in the market. Okay, especially for those people that are holding and don't believe in taking profit strategy. Yeah, so in times like this, you should control how you react. Your mental health is very, very important. Okay, so what might be the cause of this? What might be the cause of this? Now, going through Michael Saylor's work. Okay, I look at this video. Watch this video. God bless Apostle. Okay, now the essence of this video is to actually help illustrate. It's actually to help me to illustrate to you how the Bitcoin market and the crypto market behaves. We just have two faces in the crypto or Bitcoin market. At time when the market is going against investor or trader, and the other time when some positive events are happening, and because of these positive events, it affects the price of affects the price of the crypto or market or Bitcoin market and the altcoin market price. Okay, so let's go. What might be the cause of this of this downward reversal in the market? Okay, so let's look at what this person has to say. So we have seen 1.3 billions in long position liquidated on the dump from $51,000 to $42,000. Now look this what happened. There's a liquidation of long positions. So those that are doing leverage trading, those are those that are bet on Bitcoin future, that in the future Bitcoin price will rise. Now it has been liquidation means a forceful closure of your position, of your long-term positions. So their contract has been, their position has been liquidated, and it led to 1.3 billion dollar gone out of the market. So this could possibly be the cause of this dump. The cause of this dump, 1.3 billion dollar worth of Bitcoin liquidated from the Bitcoin market. So what can we make of this? What can we make of this? What can we make of this? Now, there's a very simple strategy, a simple quote or principle in investing that says, "Be greedy when others are fearful, and be fearful when others are greedy." Currently, we have we have many people that are we have people that are fearful in the market. They don't know what to do, and most people are even selling their Bitcoin at a loss. That is what we call recapitulation, which I explained earlier on. Now, as a smart investor or a smart crypto entrepreneur, what you should do, this is the time you need to be greedy. This is the time you need to maximize the opportunity. So in the bear market, what you do, you buy the dip and wait to sell at the top or to take profit at the top. So that is the decision to make in the bear market, is to buy, and is to buy. You have to buy at this time when when Bitcoin price has plunged, has declined. You buy and hold until we see another new time high. So let's see what big money investors are currently doing in the market. Is there anybody in the market that's currently buying that we confirm or validate, that we confirm this decision that you should make in the bear market? This is the decision that you could make in the bear market. So let's see what people are doing, what big money investors are doing. Okay, look at this. Bitcoin Magazine breaking. El Salvador just bought 150 more Bitcoin. This is 5 hours ago. 5 hours ago, El Salvador just bought 150 more Bitcoins. It is amazing. So this is simply they are doing this because they understand the market cycle. They understand that you should be greedy when people are fearful, and be fearful when people are greedy. This is, to me, a smart investment. This is a smart move at this present time in the market. This is a smart move. Okay, so this is very, 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 very important. So that is the strategy that that is the decision that you should make at this point in the market. Okay, now before yeah, to wrap this market analysis up, you should if you should as an investor, you should work with a strategy with you should know how it is possible for you to be an investor and also be taking profit along the way. Yeah, being an investor simply means being an online investor simply means you are putting your money in the market and you don't have a strategy. On the other hand, being a smart investor simply means you are putting your money in the market and you have a strategy to manage risk in the market. Okay, now it is possible. I was explaining that it is possible for you to be a long-term investor and take profit along the way. And the principle is easy. Now, once you buy an asset, a crypto asset, hold it and and be waiting for the bull run or for an increase, a growth of your portfolio, a growth of the price, a growth in the price, waiting for growth to happen to your crypto asset. Once the particular crypto asset you bought is appreciating, once the is recording a new all-time high, or once you have made enough profit. So what you should do is that you should either take your capital or take two times of your capital. Let's say if you invest $1,000 and the market perform and you now have $5,000, then why don't you take two times of your capital? That is $2,000. Then the remaining one you can now use the remaining one for your long-term holding. When you do this, you'll be able to achieve two things. One, you have money, you have USDT. If it's in USD, you have USDT to use to maximize other opportunity that will present itself in the crypto market. That's one. Secondly, you make your profit and you can also use this money to meet your other needs. So this is very, very important. And yeah, I think I suggest you employ it as you invest in the crypto industry. Yeah. Okay. That is all we have for today. To recap, the Bitcoin market is currently in the bear market, and the decision that is usually made in the bear market is you buy the dip and waiting for a time when the market will go in your favor, then you take profit. Yeah, so this market analysis was brought to you to 25. Join 25 community where you can interact with experts, where you can ask questions, where you can get information, where you can get you know information that will help you in your crypto business. And yeah, so before I call it a day, subscribe if you have not subscribed. If you have not liked this video, comment, and if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe. And yeah, so I will come your way next time. Thank you, and do have a nice day.